How to fix Redmi Go notification sound problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can fix Redmi Go notification sound problem. So guys, if you are having notification sound problem, then guys, how you can fix this problem. Okay, if there is no hardware problem, or if your speaker is in good condition, or if you are having this problem, then guys, how you can fix this issue. Okay, so if you want to fix this problem, your notification sound is not ringing or your notification sound is not working, then guys, how you can fix this. Okay, so if you want to know or if you want to fix this problem, then you have to watch the video till the end. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So guys, as I have already told you, if your problem is not coming from the hardware, then guys, how you can fix this. Okay, if you are having a hardware problem, then guys, you need to go to technician and you have to repair your speaker. But if your speaker is working still, then notification is not working, then how you can fix this issue. So let's start the solution. So guys, to fix this issue, you need to go to your setting. Okay, you have to make some settings. So if there is any misunderstanding setting you have set, then guys, you have to set it wisely. Okay, so you need to come to your phone setting. After that, go to sound and vibration. So after that guys, if your notification sounds are not ringing, then simply you have to check this. Okay, so you have to click here and see whether is your phone is in DND mode or in silent. If it says, if you are set in DND mode, then guys, your ring or your notification sound will never work. Okay, it will always be in silent. Or if you are using silent mode, then it is also same. But if you are using DND mode, then you have to make it regular. Okay, you have to make it on regular. So click on regular and set it to regular firstly. Okay, you have to make this setting very carefully. After that guys, you can see here your your ringtone sound, message sound and alarm volume. Okay, you have to set your volume as well. If your volume is in low, then guys, you have to make it here. Okay, you have to make it louder. So always use louder volume from here. Okay, so use louder volume, or you can change your ringtone. Okay, change ringtone which makes loud sound. So you can change your ringtone by clicking here, or you can change your message tone by here, or you can change your alarm sound by here. Okay, so firstly, change your ringtones, and after that guys, check your problem will be solved. Okay, if you having this kind of problem time to time, then guys, you need to update your mobile phone. So how you can update your mobile phone? You can simply go to about phone and click on system update. Okay, after that you will find to download your software version. So you can simply download your software version and you need to restart your mobile phone. After that, software will automatic download. Okay, automatically it will download to your mobile, and after that guys, everything will be work properly. So guys, this is some settings and solution that I have told you to make your notification sound problem. Okay, to fix your notification sound problem, there is some solution and there is some tips I have given you. So guys, you have to follow this instruction. After that guys, your problem will be definitely fixed. I hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching.